Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Share this out with your friends. Let them know that we are here. So I've got this all ready for us. So this is what we did yesterday. And so I'm going to flip it over and we're going to use it this way. And I'm going to put, chalking is my cardio. What colors should we use? I see Angie's on with me right now. Let me know in the comments. You can use a couple different colors if you want. All up to you, darling. I'm just going to get this situated on here. Say hello when you're jumping on. I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk couture designer. And I'm just going to fuzz this on my pants. Grab up a little bit of the lint off my pants. Hey Ryan, how are you? There we go. So I'm just going to put this on here nicely like this. Again, these are reusable transfers 8 to 12 times. More if you take really good care of them. Doing good. What's new? How's the family? So that is our sign. What color should we use, guys? I didn't bring any out, so I don't know what to use. We did red, yellow, and orange yesterday. Here, let me get this shared out while we figure out what we're doing. Let's start with green. You want me to do chalking in green? I can do that. What other colors? Because we could do chalking and cardio as 2 different colors, and then Ismay as a 3rd color if we want. Or we can do it all in 1 color. Or we could even... Princess, what are you eating? Well, can you figure out what she's eating? We can... That actually might be really cute. We could, because it's technically 3, like, the Ismay is 2 words, but it's kind of together, and it's too small to try and do it as 2 different colors. But yeah, you've got chalking, and then Ismay, and then cardio. So we could do 3 different, like I said, or we could do the blend. I'm forgetting what that's called.
Ombre?
Yes, ombre. That's it. Sorry, I'm always used to talking about the hot mess technique that I forgot what the ombre was. Okay, let me bring up my video on my iPad. Hey everybody, how are you doing today? I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk couture designer. How's everybody doing? Purple, green, gold. I could do that. Princess, what are you after now?
She's sniffing her sweater.
I see that. Well, at first she was underneath the bin, so that was weird. Okay, let me grab those colors. I haven't gotten to sharing that out yet, but people are jumping on anyway, so I'm not super worried. And I'm making use ink. Sorry everybody, I'm just trying to find my right colors that we want to use. Alright, there we go. Let's see if my purple is good though, because I know I'm getting low on my purple and I forgot to order more. Nope, it's super not. How did my sprayer go all the way over there?
Because it got moved.
Okay, but like super far away.
Yep.
Husband tries to help me and I swear it makes it worse. I need you to put this in the microwave for me.
No.
It needs it bad. Alright, since we're starting, use the green. Was it yesterday we used green? So it's not too bad. Thank you. Let it sit there and heat up the bottom. Can you all see this? Did you take the sprayer away from me again?
No. It's beside you on the floor.
Oh, I put it on the floor. That's what
What am I going to do with you?
I'm silly. It's like, it just like disappeared. Yes, we can what? Oh, see it. I can't read. You actually put a full sentence there and I only read half of it. Silly me. So this is a little chunky again, but I will fix it another time, get the little parts done that I need to with what we got. Anybody have any special plans for the weekend? I don't think we do. It's kind of hard to plan anything these days. Oh, I know. It's so bad. I don't know. It's one of those days, I think. Like, I swear I'm here, but not making any sense. So I'm going to lift that part up just so that it doesn't dry in the transfer, because that is a drier paste right now than normal. So I'm just going to lift it up and then I'm going to let it naturally go back down. Only push down where I need to chalk again. Making sure that it's not going to run. I might have got a little bit of the green on the other colors that I'm supposed to be doing. I'm doing the Is My in yellow, right? Oh, again. I'm hearing some weird noises. No, partially it's my cat, but yes? Okay. Here we go. I'm trying to scrape off some of that excess. Go back in my jar. Hey everybody, how are you doing? I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk couture designer. Alright. This really did not help at all. We might have to use a different color, because I need to scrape this out to make it better. I think we're going to go blue. So we're going to be a little off, but I think it'll work better. Because I'm too far down on my purple. It's not long enough. Again, share this out if you can. Let people know we are here. Oh, this is my brand new one that I didn't open yet. Need to get the other one. I had bought 2 of those because they were going away, and I really like the color. So I had to grab 2. One second, dude, I can't see your comment right now. Oh, okay. Cool. So you're busy. Okay, you said I put it down the side. Where did I put it?
It's now underneath you.
How did it end up underneath me? I haven't moved.
Yeah, you did when you turned.
Okay, but I turned. I didn't move.
You did.
Did I really move that far? I couldn't have. How did I end up doing that?
I don't know, but you did.
Try this again. I don't understand how that happened. Like, I know I turned around in a circle, but I don't know how I turned around in a circle and got it underneath me. Too funny. Okay, so I'm just mixing this up with distilled water again. Every couple of days you have to go in and put more distilled water in it just for... Oh, definitely. But you have to put distilled water in here just to keep it moist, because it will dry out. It is paste, so. And it is chalk, so, and chalk is normally dry. But we are getting new paste, which is supposed to be even creamier than this stuff. So I can't wait to see what that's going to be like when it comes out. They're actually starting to release it now. I just have to order. But I'm already waiting for an order to come in, and I forgot to order paste, so. But I don't think they had released the new paste up until after I ordered. So I don't think I would have gotten new paste, like the real new paste, up until then. Hey everybody, how are you doing today? I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk couture designer. Like and follow the business page. Say hello. Check out my VIP at Telly's Talk and Chalk VIP. And check out my website at tellystalkandchalk.ca. There you will find finished products and the site for the actual company, the American site and the Canadian site, all linked. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I will answer them as soon as I see them, even if you are on the replay. Now, Facebook doesn't always tell me that people have commented on the replay, but when I go back and check it, I will answer whatever I can. If you would like to join, hashtag join in the comments. If you would like to join Club Couture, which is their subscription box, hashtag join club in the comments. So there we go. I think we're all good. And just put that there. I'm gonna pull this up. See you later, Ryan. Too bad she couldn't call in 5 more minutes. We almost got this. So there we go. And that is our project. I hope it's not blurry on your end, because it's blurry all of a sudden on mine. Keeps readjusting. So that is our finished project for today. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, share this with your friends. And like and follow. And I will see you on Monday. Bye, guys.